does a little bump to this side, I'm going to end up rolling over my neck. So I turn my eyes away, so if he does a little bump, my head's going to slide on the mat. Like bump a little bit to your right, see that? My head just slides. If I do this and he bumps, my head's going to roll under, okay? Which we don't want, okay? So head down, eyes facing away, take up the slack, connect my elbows to my ribs, and then I'm expanding my chest, and I'm also widening my knees here. Don't widen your feet. Keep your feet in, but widen your knees as you expand your chest. I'm going to try real quick. So we're here, right? One hand feeds to the other. Boom, deep grip. This hand goes under, palm up. Head's going to go down to this side since this is his top wrist. And then once we're here, back muscle squeeze. Boom, that's it. Perfect. Cool. You can do the thumb in variation too. So if something's making it tough for me to go under, maybe his hand's in the way, or who knows, I should sit up real quick, right? Ooh, sorry, punched him in the face. So if it's tough to get under for some reason, you can also go over, right? Which means I'm going to lean my head the other way. I always want to be able to see where I'm grabbing. That's the idea. See that? I can see underneath my first arm. This time I can see over my first arm. And this way I'm holding thumb in. Okay? And now my head goes down to this side, right? And it's the same details to squeeze. I'm letting my elbows come to my ribs, taking the slack out. And then when I'm ready to squeeze, my chest expands and my knees widen.